I'm back. Welcome to Tasty Pineapple. My name is Felix, and today we're going to show you how to make my favorite side dish, potato salad. It's super awesome. So I'm going to show you the ingredients right now. All right, let's get started. All right, here are the ingredients for our super awesome potato salad. Today we're going to use 6 medium-sized russet potato, boiled and chopped to about half an inch cube, and 4 hard-boiled eggs, finely chopped, 1 cup of red onion, finely chopped, 1 cup of celery, finely chopped. That comes out to about 2 stalks of celery, and about 10 pieces of pineapple chunks, also finely chopped. And we're going to use salt and pepper to taste. And today we're going to use the light mayonnaise by Best Foods. It is 60% more or less fat, okay? Because I'm on a mission to lose some weight, so I'm using this. But you can use the regular Best Food mayonnaise. Don't use any other brand but Best Food. And our little secret that we keep in the family, from McCormick Salad Supreme Mix. Okay, this is perfect complement to this dish. All right, there you go. These are the secrets of our family potato salad. All right, we got a first thing we did is we put the potato in a pot of water and we brought it to a boil. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt, and you want to add it while it's boiling so it doesn't settle in the bottom, so it gives it a little bit more flavor. Okay, and we're going to cook it until it is tender to the pork of the fork. Okay, so yeah, it's roughly about 7 to 10 minutes. So it depends on the size of your potato. What we did is we peeled it and cut it in half so it will cook evenly. Some people cut it in quarters, but that's totally up to you. It depends how you want to cook your potato. Some people like it with the skin on. That's totally fine if you know how to do that, and then peel it after. But my way is just to peel and cut in half so it will cook evenly. All right, there we go. We'll just wait a few more minutes. All right, we're gonna test our potato, see if it's cooked. Oh yeah, it's going all the way through. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna drain the water and we're gonna get to the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I'm taking the potato and I'm gonna drain the water. All right, and then I'm gonna put it in an ice bath just to cool it off some more. All right, this will sort of stop the cooking process. Leave it there for a few minutes and we'll give it a good chop or smash. Okay, after you cool it off, we're gonna dice that potato in about half an inch cube. All right, like that. So it depends on the size of your potato. You can slice it 2 or 3 times, but basically you get that consistency. Okay, that's what it should look like. So it will blend in with the rest of the ingredients. Otherwise, if it's too big, then you're gonna taste more potato than everything else. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut the rest of it. And you should be ready for mixing the rest of the ingredients. All right. Okay, we got all our ingredients ready to go, and we're gonna mix it all up and make that wonderful, awesome salad. Okay, first we're gonna mix the egg with a potato. Okay, and then the celery. Oh, look at that color, green and yellow. Now they make it more beautiful and sexy. The red onion, yes. Oh yeah. And of course, the extra dimension, pineapple. Okay, now we're gonna mix it first. Mix it all up. Okay. Before we season it. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of this. The oops. Okay. About a tablespoon. And then some. You want to bring out a little bit more color than that. So I would say about 2. And you're going to add our mayonnaise. I'm going to use this as a measurement. So roughly about 1.5 cups. That's just a cup for now. That's looking good. Maybe just a little more. Okay, that's roughly about 1.5 cups. Then we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. And mix it just a little bit more. Oh yeah. See all that color? Okay. Looks like we got a pretty good mix here. Hey, guess what? It's chow time! So I'm gonna give it a taste test, okay? So here we go. Oh yeah. Looking good. See that? Wow. That is awesome. The crunch, the celery, the red onion, taste the pineapple. Oh my god, awesome stuff. I gotta eat another one. This can be you can enter this in any contest. I swear to God. If you make this at home, bring it to a party, you'll be a hit. So try it at home with the ingredients I just showed you, and you never go wrong. Anyway, wow, this is a meal in itself. But of course, this is good with any dish that you make. Steak would be perfect for this. Fish, whatever you want. goes great anytime. You can snack on it. Hey, what can I say? It's awesome. So again, hey, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to see the next video. Alright, until then, we will see you. Alright, take it easy.